In this video, you'll learn about 5 passive income ideas that I am actually doing and they are still paying me money every single day. Actually, these are the ideas and models that are paying me my lifestyle income, meaning the money that pays for all the expenses of my family, and also that lets me continue doing this YouTube channel so far, even though it's not still profitable. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, so make sure you subscribe if you're new. And you know what? I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, or your YouTube account, or your TikTok account down below. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar, and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so first, what do I categorize as passive income? It's very simple. You have some input now and you reap the rewards for a long time. In the best scenario, forever. So the 5 examples, especially the first 2, are things that I'm doing, things that I believe in. So I think you'll be really interested in checking them out. I was thinking about starting with YouTube as the first one, but I won't. I'll start with my personal business, my online business. And if you see here, I was in a place where I was going to sell it. I had to submit a video for Flippa in order to be able to sell my business with proof of the revenue. So this is my PayPal revenue. It's uploaded 18 months ago, this video. If you go on reports, and business accounts on PayPal have a report section, it's gonna load and you'll see on my insights that I was making, I think, around 100k a month in revenue. That's not profit, it was around 10% profit because I have employees, have a lot of stuff I pay, taxes, stuff like that. 29% returning customers. And you can see that this business in 2019, it made 200 grand in the first few months. So that's from January to March, and that's half of March. So it was pretty much like 100k a month. And in 2018, it was just 600k, so it was like 50k a month. So I had a huge increase, like double up. I doubled the revenue in 2019. And this business still pays me today because I didn't end up selling it. It's a little bit less, but it's still passive income for me. How did I start my e-commerce business? Well, I have a lot of videos on my channel around it. But to be honest, the biggest thing that I'm most excited about is my passive income idea number 2, and it's actually starting a YouTube channel. Why am I passionate about it? Well, it's because I'm investing all my time into it, and as I said, we have 3 video editors in the team, and that's a big expense. You can see this revenue right here. It's not able to pay for all the expenses I have. But if you check 2020 for me, you can see that in the beginning of 2020 I was getting like 100-200 views a day, and now I'm getting close to 7k, so that's a 35x. In terms of passive income, you can see that the videos I'm getting my most views from are from March, July, June, so that's pretty much passive income. This is videos that I've created 6 months ago. That's actually 7 months ago. The March was 7 months ago, and are still generating me a few dollars every single day. That's 100% passive income for me. So my logic with this channel is, what if I create 60 to 100 videos every single month and I go all in on YouTube, time and money wise? Will that work? I don't know. You see that for yourself if you follow my channel. Every month I release a profit report so you can see how the channel is progressing. The first report was for September. I think you should have it when you're watching this video. If you do, you can see it in the cards above. So let's go to option number 3, and it's Kajabi. So Kajabi is basically a platform where you can create an online course. The cool thing about an online course is every additional sale you actually do, there's no time or money that you gotta pay for. So you basically create a course in a week, in 2 weeks, in a month, and then for years to come, depending on your niche, if the traffic of information isn't that dynamic, you can reap the rewards. Create a course now, set it up, make money for a long time. So Kajabi is a cool platform. I think you can check it out, and you can pretty much make a course on anything you want. If you don't want to go that route, and you don't have, and the con of Kajabi is you gotta bring in your own traffic. You gotta have a cool Instagram account, Pinterest account, blog, YouTube channel to actually get traffic and convert it via Kajabi. A good alternative is actually Skillshare, which is the passive income idea number 4. So Skillshare is pretty cool. It basically gets people, the end user, a huge amount of courses in animation, design, illustration, lifestyle. I actually think I'll get a subscription after it. But you can be one of the people that are making videos on their videos, just like the video you're watching right now. This can literally be a paid video on Skillshare. But from what I heard from different sources, the passive income idea number 5 is actually better, and that's Udemy. It's a little bit better than Skillshare in terms of the average traffic, in terms of the average revenue you make, because Skillshare, they pay you based on the minutes watched of your course, and Udemy you just get a payment, 130 euros, 10 euros, or whatever the price is for the course. So this is the video. I really hope you like it. If you like to support this YouTube journey that I'm on, make sure you subscribe to the channel because you get a lot of value, and make sure you give this video a like because it really helps me out. Remember that a video that keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, remember, this is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. Don't sue me, bro. Check one of these videos. Bye.